You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. For more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more confusing ones on the channel, meaning Starry Night, Persian origin, Soraya, or in English the pronunciation Soraya, not Soraya, Soraya. How do you pronounce it yourself? It comes from the Arabic word Suraya, Soraya. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.